Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this wig install with WowAfrican Hair. So I'm wearing a 24-inch Yaki straight 360 wig. So basically I'm going to begin cutting off my ears. And once I cut off my ears, I'm going to go ahead and start to prep the wig. So I'm going to part the wig in the middle so I can basically evenly put it on. And after that, I'm going to be taking my hot comb once it's been parted, and I'm just going to basically press the part out some more. Now that I've basically aligned the wig on my head, I'm going to go ahead and put my dots. I always put these dots with like a setting powder or something like that because this is basically what makes me position and put down my lace not too far ahead or not too behind. So now I'm going to go ahead and just pick the wig up a little bit and slide it straight back. And now that I've done that, I'm going to take my Ghost Bond glue and I'm just going to put that right on top of the cap area. And then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to smooth it out. I usually only do 2 rounds of this lace glue. Now that my second coat has dried clear, I'm going to pick up the lace and I'm just going to tap it into my skin. And I like to put it while the glue is just about wet but just freshly clear. And I'm just going to tap it into my skin just to melt it in. Now that I've finished applying the wig, I'm just going to be pulling it back, and any parts that are lifted up and not glued down, I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on there and make sure I melt that piece down. You want to make sure you always have the full rim of perimeter of your lace melted down. That's what gives you the more natural look, and that's what makes everything blend in seamlessly. I can't say the word, but you know what I mean. Everyone always asks me what do I do to the back of my wigs, and to be honest, all I do is connect each strap together. So now I'm going to begin flattening my hair, and the flattener that I'm using is the Nano Titanium Conair flat iron, and I'm going to be flat ironing each piece by piece, and I'm going to keep going and tracing it with my Wow African rat tail comb. Now that I've finished flattening my hair, I'm going to be taking my Isolope oil sheen spray, and I just like to spray the top of my head with it, and then I hot comb it down. That gives me a really sleek and flat look. So now I'm just going to be doing my final touches, and I'm just going to be tweezing out the hairline just to give it a more natural look and to give it a more thin look and less full. And now I've brushed out this tweezed hair, and this is the finished look, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Yes, ma'am. So I'm wearing hair from WowAfrican Hair, and this is Yaki straight. I'm really loving this hair. Like, it flat ironed just right. Like, it looks like my real hair. So this time I kind of decided to do a no baby hairs look for y'all, just to show y'all how you can still have a really nice look without baby hairs and have more of a natural look. And the hair is about 24 inches, but it really sits on me like it's 26 inches. I'm going to show you guys it from the back. It kind of stops at the top of my booty. So yes, y'all, I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. And yeah, make sure you guys check out WowAfrican Hair. This is also a comb that they send you. They send you a wig, a comb, caps, edges toothbrush, like literally toothbrush. Like edges toothbrush. Like they really hook you up, and they make your order worth it. So be sure to check them out. and let me know what y'all think about my hair. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna do baby hairs, but probably off camera. But yes, y'all, thank y'all for watching.